Hey there, if you prefer deleting emails with a quick swipe instead of archiving them in Gmail, I will show you how to make that change in just a few simple steps. Let's dive in. First, open your Gmail app. At the top left, you will see three horizontal lines. Tap on it. Then scroll down and tap on Settings. Scroll down and tap on Inbox Customizations. Here you can see Mail Swipe Actions. Tap on it. Now this is where your Gmail lets you choose what happens when you swipe left or right on an email. By default, Gmail has Archive as the swipe action, but if you want to change that, tap left swipe and tap on Trace. Now once you left swipe on the mail, it will be moved to Trace instead of Archive. And that's it, you have now customized your swipe actions in Gmail. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.